What you can expect from my character, Shara Ilembe, and the character that I play is Umkopozi. Total ruthless. Yes, Yabulawana nje, and too much protection for Nkosi yakhe uShaka because he's best friends with uShaka and uyamvikela ngayo yonke indlela so nje he's very ruthless kakhulu and he's the first guy in battle uShaka amthembile ukuthi mefika empini uzofika nqonda abantu. For me personally, it's God, man. It's uNkulunkulu omvumelile ukuthi bese isikhathi sifike nami empilweni yami. I get to be on two shows that will be doing very well because uShaka is, I put it high there in terms of all the careers, the shows that I've done. And Amalanga now is doing very well. So, umina kakhulu isibusiso kuNkulunkulu, and I'm so blessed and so honored for such an opportunity to get to be on these two shows. People and viewers of the show Malanga Fun, what they can expect moving forward is a lot of crying and a lot of happiness and a lot of joy, because Malanga Fun is a story that relates to teen in our daily lives, especially as in Ghana, to Ama 2K and how they actually live their lives. So we wanted to take and bring back those authentic stories, and we phila ngempela lo characters umuntu meyizwa naye athi yazi ngamazi usabelo kanje ngamazi umuntu omkhumbuza usabelo. So for me nje, a lot of laughter, a lot of fun, a lot of crying moments, and a lot of happy moments also. That's more when you might have what I'd advise a person to do would say, Tata in weekend is a somewhere away from everyone over zero. We end down now, weekend and then I think from that moment you'll find the solution because another thing, we don't have they don't have financial literacy. So and again if you school in things like tax, things what are my assets, go to invest. So just to get yourself in a clear space, umuntu ongasiza ngemali zakho ukuthi usebenzise kanjani, and then rather than ukudlala imali you can make a lot of money noma wenze le mali yakho ukuthi ikwenzele enye imali, yebo lonto. So that's my advice. Hamba uhlala weekend wedwa ushawa umoya ungatshela umuntu uyicabange, yeah.